Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find power SW pins on MSI motherboard. To do this, we'll need to take a look on the bottom right corner of our motherboard, and you can find the graph right here, but the pins are located right here. So let me zoom in. It's JFP1, so the power SW is located on the top row, and we can insert it like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.